The lining of a good quality jacket or coat is what always wears out first. It's the part which is closest to the body, the part that's under most friction and stress from getting the coat on and off. It rubs directly against the fabrics which you're wearing under your coat. So it doesn't mean you have to get rid of your coat. We can replace the lining. Once the lining's replaced, it still looks like it's brand new. It's carefully removed. Certain labels are all removed because they can be put back as well. Once the lining does come out of the coat, it means that we can have a proper look around. Anything else which is not right or worn out, we can change. Any seams can be repaired as well at this stage. We know the new lining is going to fit because we can actually use that old lining to make the pattern for the new lining. So you haven't got to worry about a lining that's not going to fit. Once the new lining is cut, we can then stitch it all together and put all the pieces back inside your coat, and it will look brand new. Replacing a lining can also give us some options. So as well as breathing this new life into a garment, we could change or up-fashion a garment. And this is what we did with this gorgeous brown leather jacket. As you can see, the lining really has gone on this one. So a little inspiration from chocolate. And we've replaced the lining with a purple lining. It can be any style coat. This one here, this is a vintage heirloom fashion. This has been passed down through the families. So this is very old, the lining in here. It's also been made in a different way because it was made generations ago. So we've just replaced panels on this lining because that was the best way to deal with the areas which were worn out on this coat.